Matthew Booth and Bongani Mthombeni, a high-profile relationship in the public spotlight. Johannesburg, South Africa, former Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns defender Matthew Booth and his girlfriend Bongani Mthombeni are increasingly finding themselves under public scrutiny as interest continues to grow around the personal lives of prominent figures in South African football and media circles. Both widely regarded as one of South Africa's most dependable defenders during his playing career, has since transitioned into respected football analyst and ambassador of the sport. Known for his calm presence and sharp tactical insight, he remains a familiar and trusted voice in conversations around the Premier Soccer League, national team affairs and player development. Bongani Mthombeni has also established her own identity beyond the football spotlight. While she maintains a relatively low public profile, her professional presence and association with both have naturally attracted attention from fans and the media. The couple has been spotted together at football matches, social events, and public functions, sparking curiosity among supporters who continue to follow Booth's journey beyond the pitch. Many observers note that his long-standing prominence in the game has inevitably extended public interest into his private life. Despite the attention, Booth has largely spoken to keep his relationship out of the spotlight, focusing instead on his professional work and ongoing contributions to football developments in South Africa. Sources close to the couple described their relationship as supportive, grounded, and maturity respectful, with both individuals maintaining independent careers and personal ambitions. In an era where the private lives of sport personalities are increasingly scrutinized, Booth and Mthombeni's relationship reflects the delicate balance public figures must navigate between openness and privacy. As Matthew Booth continues to shape football conversations in South Africa, his relationship with Bongani Mthombeni adds a human dimension to the story of the former international who remains relevant and influential long after retiring from professional football.